Some quick tips when changing the rear drum brakes on your 3rd gen Toyota 4Runner. First, of course, make sure you have all of the right parts and tools to do the job. This goes without saying. Next, if there's one tool to not skimp on, that is going to be a set of locking pliers. This is going to help greatly when you go to remove the anchor spring. Next up is going to be to remove the entire braking assembly or the brake shoes, the adjuster, and the upper tension spring in one go. You can remove the anchor spring and then finagle that entire system out and back in once you have replaced the brake shoes. This should help to save a little bit of time, as that lower anchor spring is typically easier to get off than that upper tension spring. Now, typically people replace their rear drum brakes for one of maybe 3 reasons. One is just your normal wear and tear, and they need to be replaced over time. Second, you might have the braking mechanism locked up due to rust, especially if you live in a northern climate. And then third is going to be if you have a rear seal that fails in your axle, saturating your brake components. That's exactly what I had happen to me on my left rear side, which led to the replacement of my brakes. But if you open up yours and you happen to find gear oil inside of your rear brake drum, that might be a telltale sign that your rear axle seals are leaking too. Thank you guys for watching. The link to the rear drum brake video is also posted below. Let me know if you guys have any comments or feedback, and with that, I'll catch you in the next one.